Here's Ethan at Glass Beach collecting glass, I guess. What do you got there, Ethan? Let me see. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at all those glass. There sure are a lot of them, Ethan. Everything is glass. No, put it in the bag. Don't throw it. We'll dump it out after you put it all in the bag, okay? Ethan's sitting around glass. See? Hi, Ethan. A whole bunch of glass. Hey, what did I say about throwing? Don't throw it. Put it in the bag. Uh-oh. Don't lay down on the glass. Yucky. No. It doesn't focus right.